The final feature of the admin dashboard is announcements. This is how you use it. In the admin dashboard, navigate to announcements. From here, you can send a message that will appear on everybody's screen simultaneously. Do note, though, that announcements aren't shown to people who are marked as admins of the event. I can type my message in here. Before I send my message, I can choose whether it's what we call persistent or not. A persistent notification is one that has to actively be removed. If it's not persistent, the notification will time out after 60 seconds and disappear. For this one, I'm going to make it persistent because I think it's really important. Then I simply click send and it will appear on everybody's screen who's attending the event.